Hi everyone, and welcome to the Art Life YouTube channel. My name's Mrs. B and I'm coming to you from my happy place. This is Seaford Beach, a beautiful part of the world, and my particular very happy place that I love to sit and play with the girls in the beautiful ocean. Today we're going to have a chat a little bit more about our happy place and use that as a mindfulness artful exercise. Go!
Like and subscribe!
Hi everyone, and welcome to this second mindfulness exercise that I'm going to guide you through today. Now, material wise, you just need whatever you have at home. Essentially, a simple white piece of paper is fine, and if all you have is a grey lead pencil, that's okay too. Today I'm going to be just demonstrating my artwork with some colourful textures and also some colouring in pencils. But again, if you just have basic materials, you don't have to add colour. Now to start, I'm just going to work with drawing in black. You might choose to use a grey lead pencil if you're not as confident with your drawing, but this is not about the finished product. It's about really enjoying the process of drawing, relaxing, being mindful just for a few minutes. And if you enjoy this activity, feel free to repeat this daily with your class or with your family, because this is a really lovely exercise to tap into a happy place. So today we're going to try to be mindful, which just means being very aware of the things around you and really taking notice. And we do that using our senses. Our senses are things like sight, smell, touch, taste, sound. We might not be able to tap into all of those today, but we're going to try our very best. Now, as I said, this task is called Happy Place. And we're going to use our imagination a lot today. So allow my voice to sort of guide you in your drawing. Please, this is not about copying what you see me do. I'm going to demonstrate my answers to the questions that I pose, but your answers might be very different. I hope they're different because you're using your mind, not mine. So try your best to do something different today. So first, let's just take a breath. You might even want to close your eyes and listen to the music that you can hear. Take a few nice, deep, long breaths. This will just help you to relax a little bit. Okay. Here we go. So today we're going to try and create our happy place. But before we do that, I'd like you to have a go at just tracing your hand. How does it feel? Does it tickle a little bit? Draw slowly and take some nice deep breaths as you're doing it. Don't have to do all your fingers because the idea is just to show your hand a little bit. We're going to come back to our hand later. All right, we're now going to draw a location. This is our happy place, but it can be completely imaginary, completely made up. It doesn't actually have to look like a real place. So you're sitting or standing in your happy place right now. Lucky you. And take a look around. What do you see? What type of place are you in? I'd like you to draw a line from one side of your paper to the other, and that's going to act as a horizon. A horizon line is just a fancy way of saying it's the ground. It's the ground in front of you. Now, your happy place might be a field full of tiny little flowers and long green grass. Insects buzzing around. Or your happy place might be something very, very different. It might be a jungle with vines hanging everywhere, strange sounds of animals or unknown things crawling around your jungle. Somewhere that you can be an adventurer might be your happy place. Or maybe you prefer something still and relaxing, like an ocean, a horizon as far as you can see, because it's the ocean off into the distance. Maybe every now and then a fish pops up and says hello. I'd like you to have a think about what your happy place might look like. Draw your horizon line and add in as many details as you can. Remember, this drawing does not need to be perfect. It's just you trying to get out the imagination that's in your mind out onto paper. So you're concentrating on the things you can see right now in your happy place. Maybe your happy place is a combination of the things I've said, because remember, it can be imaginary. Now I'd like you to add something in your happy place that you love. Now, I'm not talking about a person or a family member that you might love. I'm talking about something in this world that really makes you happy. Does seeing a rainbow in the sky make you so happy and grateful? Maybe there's a food that you love, and when you get to eat it, it just excites you so much and it makes you so happy. Now, if you can think of more than one thing, feel free to draw more than one thing, because this is your happy place. You can consider the things that you love and have a go at drawing them within your landscape here. I want you to think about, what would the temperature be? If it's your happy place, do you love it when it starts snowing? You love the cold, or maybe you love it when it's windy because all the leaves fly around. See if you can draw that. For me, I love the feeling of the sun on my skin so much. And so in my happy place, it's a really sunny day. And I'm going to draw these sun rays coming out as far as they can. So we've talked about what you can see. We've talked about a few extra amazing things that you love that might go in your happy place. We've talked about the temperature. Now I'd love for you to think about something that you might like to put in your hand. So you are sitting in your happy place or standing in your happy place. What might be in your hand? What's something that you can hold that makes you happy? Can be anything. As you can see, my picture is in no way perfect, but definitely represents me and the things I love. So there's me holding a bunch of flowers. You might be holding something very different. Let's take 5 big breaths together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now with the remaining 2 minutes, I'd love for you to just have a go at adding whatever you like to make your happy place even happier. If that means showing symbols of happiness like this, you can do that. If it means adding in extra detail of the things you love, you can do that. Maybe there's something that you can imagine that you can hear in your happy place. Maybe you love music so much, so you could try and draw what the sound might sound like. Maybe it's something a little bit different, like a bird chirping or singing a bird's song. Or you can just spend this time closing your eyes and relaxing. Well done, everybody. I would absolutely love to see your happy place pictures once they're done. So if you would love to take a photo and tag me on my socials, on Instagram or on Facebook, I'd absolutely love to see what you've come up with or how you've interpreted this task. So now what I'm going to do, and if you'd like to do the same, is I'm just going to add some colour and bring my happy place to life, because colour, for me especially, definitely adds an element of happy. You don't have to colour like this. You could just add some different patterns instead to each of the different sections that you see. Drawing patterns is a really fantastic way to relax and be mindful, because you're not doing anything else. You're just focusing on drawing, working carefully, and it's a nice way to just stop and slow down a little bit. And then if you really would love to continue your art, you could add a bit of colour as well using pencils. Don't know what's going on with these. Here we go. And you could colour in the rest. So patterns with texture, fill the areas with a crayon or coloured pencils. Remember, this is your happy place, so take pride in it. You know, rushing something like this isn't really going to be something that you're proud of, but if you really do take your time, use different colours, different patterns, different techniques, and just you could work on it over time, pick it up every day or so. I think you'll really be pleased with the outcome if you try your best. So this task, you know, could take you as little as 15 minutes, just the part that I was sort of instructing, or I've probably been working on this for a good 30 minutes, 45 minutes at the moment, just relaxing really and enjoying the process, adding little details as I think of them. You know, something like this is a fantastic task for those that are struggling with mental health. You know, it's just a fantastic way to tap into your creativity and imagination, way to slow down and relax and use art essentially as therapy. So please let me know who you are, where you're from. I'd love to know. Please comment below, because I'd love to meet you and see how far this video's gone and whether it's helped you. That would be really awesome. There we go. Once you're done, you can sign your name. It is your happy place after all. And I really hope you've enjoyed this mindful, relaxing, arty exercise. Thank you so much for joining me here today at Art Live, and I really hope you enjoyed a mindful, peaceful activity and imagining your happy place. Now, at the end of this video, there's another mindfulness activity that you can try out if you'd like. So just let this video run to the end and you'll find it there, and you can just click on it straight away if you'd like to have a go. My face will also appear, which is a great reminder to subscribe to this channel for future videos. Have a wonderful day, guys.